Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Vivoactive 4 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with your phone. You can pair this watch with your phone in two ways. First method is to pair your watch during the setup process of your watch. So if your watch is new, you turn it on first time, you can set it up, and during the setup process you can pair the devices. And the second method is if your watch has been already set up, you can do it via the watch's settings. I'm gonna show you the setup process method first, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it via settings. Okay, so if your watch is new, you need to turn it on. You can do it by pressing and holding the upper button. Once you turn on the watch, you should see the hello screen. Tap on the screen to continue. Now you should see the list of languages on your watch. You can scroll up and down by swiping on the screen. Find the language you like to use and tap on it to select it. I'm gonna select English. And as you can see now, we are being asked if we want to pair the watch with our phone. Let's tap on the check mark to confirm. Then tap on the check mark again. And now we need to download and install the Garmin Connect app on our phone. So let's open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on search, type in Garmin Connect. Then tap search, select the Garmin Connect app, tap on the install button, wait until the app is done installing. And once the app is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app, we need to log in into Garmin Connect account. You can also create a new account if you need to by tapping on create account right here. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, agree to the terms of use, and then tap on next. Now let's tap right here, enter the email address, and then tap right here and enter the password. So give me a couple of seconds. And once you're done, you can tap on next to continue. After you log in, you will be asked to allow the location permission for the Garmin Connect app. So let's tap on manage permissions. For some reason it opened the App Store. That's weird. It should open this window. So give me a second. It should open the app info. Here you can tap on permissions, location, and select one of the options, allow all the time or allow only while using the app. And once you're done, you can go back to the Garmin Connect app. When you allow the location permission, your app should automatically detect your watch. But as you can see, it didn't, something backed out, so you can tap on browse all compatible devices. Select the Vivo category, find our Vivoactive 4 on the list, right here, select it, and as you can see now it found it. So let's tap on connected, tap on OK. Now we need to enter the code from our watch right here, so let's tap right here, type in 008797 and then tap OK. Now let's tap on next. Here we can set up a sleep time. Basically, this is useful when you want to use the do not disturb mode while you're sleeping. You can basically select at what time you're going to sleep and what time you wake up. You can do it by tapping right here, changing the time by swiping up and down like that. Then here, and once you're done setting this up, you can tap on next and then tap yes. Here You can select on which wrist you prefer to wear your watch. Then tap next. Now we can agree to send recent training data to the new device. So basically, if you used the Garmin devices before, you can basically sync up your old data with this watch. You can select yes or no, and then tap next. Right here we can set up goals, basically step goals, hydration goals, and stuff like that, I believe. If you want to do it, tap on edit my goals, and here you can do it by tapping on auto or custom, tapping on the frame, typing in the number you want to have set up as goal. Same for the floors climbed, cups of water, and intensity minutes per week. And once you're done, you can tap on next. Now we can allow the notification access for the Garmin Connect application. Basically, if you want to get the phone notifications on your watch, you need to allow the notification access. So if you don't want to do it, you can tap on skip. And if you want to use this feature, tap on allow notification access and then tap allow. Here we can allow the calendar access. So if you want to use your calendar on your watch, you need to allow the access for the calendar permission. If you don't want to do it, tap on skip. I'm gonna allow it and then tap on allow to allow the permission. Same for the call logs. So basically, if you want to get the notification about who's calling you on your watch, or rather who's calling you, you will get the notification on your watch on who's calling you on your phone, my bad. And you can do it by tapping on allow and allowing the permission. If you don't want to use this feature, of course, tap on skip. Next is phone call access, same, allow or skip. Here we have messages. This is the same. If you want to get the notification about messages on your watch, you need to allow the permission or skip if you don't want to use it. And once you're done, you can tap on sync now. Then tap on finish. Here we have a tutorial how to use the watch. You can tap on next to go through it or skip to skip it. And once you're done, tap on finish. Now you can set up the watch further. Basically, you can set up the music, Garmin Pay, Garmin Coach, Workouts, Connect, IQ, and stuff like that. I'm gonna tap on not now, then tap on got it. And once the devices are paired, your watch is ready to use, and also you will see the watch icon right here. You can tap on it to open the device page for your Garmin Vivoactive 4. Okay, and that's how you pair your watch, or rather this watch, with your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.